Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset the Apple AirPods Pro 3rd generation. Now to do so, first let's place your AirPods back into the case. So make sure it sits properly in the case and close the lid. Now shut the lid of the charging case and wait for about 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, open the lid. So open the lid of the case again. Then you can locate the setup button at the back of the case. So here is a brown button right here. So press and hold it for about 15 seconds until the status light on the front of the case flashes amber and then white. So here, let's do it again. So press and hold, it should flashes amber and then white. So continue to press and hold. See, now you can see it is now in amber and then white. Now with the lid of the case open, place the AirPods close to your phone, such as an iPhone or an iPad or another device, and then you can follow the instructions that appear on your device screen to reconnect to your AirPods. Okay, so on my iPhone, as soon as I place the AirPods right next to my phone, the phone asks me to reconnect. And that's it. That is how you can reset the Apple AirPods 3 or the AirPods Pro 3rd generation. Thank you for watching this video.